What if your next trip could help build a more peaceful world? It's World Tourism Day. Here's why it matters. Every September 27th, World Tourism Day shines a spotlight on how travel connects us all. It's not just about ticking destinations off your bucket list. Tourism sparks cultural exchange, letting us experience new traditions, foods, ways of life. It's also a powerhouse for local economies, creating jobs and supporting communities worldwide. But there's more. Recent World Tourism Days have pushed for responsible, sustainable travel, protecting the places we love for future generations. This year's theme? Tourism and peace. That means every journey, whether across the globe or just around the corner, can foster understanding, tolerance, global harmony. People celebrate with festivals, cultural events, by sharing their stories online, reminding us that every traveler has the power to inspire change. So, whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or dreaming of your first adventure, remember, travel isn't just where you go, but how you connect. Happy World Tourism Day!